Okay, it's not clear. 1 minute, guys. Just give me 1 minute. There seems to be some issue. 1 minute. Okay, hello guys, welcome. All good now? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, come on. Let's begin the session. Let's start with this. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Good to see everyone joining. Welcome to the session, guys. How is everyone? Yes, Pallavi. There was some lighting issue with that background, so I have shifted over to this background now. Okay. So you can see me, right? Hello, good to see all of you. Hello, Shubham, good to see you. Hi, Ditya, welcome to the session. Hello, everyone. Good to see all of you join in. Is there anybody on the group who's unable to join the class? Just check, guys. If there is anyone, just guide them to the class, guys. Hello, good to see all of you, guys. Come on. Let's get started. So, guys, how many of you gave the mock? किसने mock दिया, guys? अरे, so sweet, Shubham. Oh. Hi Karan. Okay, you've not given it. Don't worry. Okay, we're gonna start from scratch. तो अगर आपने नहीं दिया है तो भी you can catch up. So guys, totally mock में जो English section था उसमें totally 50 questions थे. Okay, so what I have done is I have picked up very unique type of questions which are especially based on vocabulary and grammar and a couple of para jumbles here and there. क्योंकि बाकी एरिया की हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Whichever are unique conceptual questions, I've picked them up. Okay, so come on, let's get started. What are we waiting for? So guys, those who have not yet taken the Plus subscription, please make sure guys that you take the Plus subscription really soon. ये है guys, benefits of the Plus subscription. You get unlimited live classes, weekly tests, structured courses, unlimited access to the entire CAT and OMET portal. Okay, yes, Pallavi. Hi Samrat, welcome to the session. Hello Priya. So guys, if you've not yet taken the subscription, jaldi se lo. Okay, Plus subscription 6 months, 12 months, 24 months subscription hai. All you have to do is use the code Ritu MBA. Yes, correct. Khayalo, I just saw the Khayalo. I can't see the full wala. Q. Yes, Pallavi. Kal. Okay, I've already scheduled it last week actually. I will check. रुको मेरे को देखने दो कल कितना बजे already scheduled है तो I will not be able to change. 1 minute. Is it scheduled? It's scheduled for 8 p.m. So, but why Pallavi? What happened? Arey Shubham, no, I can't be seated because of a back issue. Hi Amresh, welcome to the session. So guys, 12 months or अगर आप 24 months का subscription लेते हो, you get 3 months subscription free. Oh, okay Pallavi. Don't worry. आप एक काम करना, go get your appointment done and don't worry about the session. Okay, you can watch the recording. या तो आप catch up कर लेना YouTube में. It's okay. Hi Devashish. Hello Amresh. Just get better soon. Okay, so guys, everyone use the code Ritu MBA. 12 months पे 3 months नहीं Shubham. 24 months पे भी 3 months subscription free है. Okay, come on guys, first question on your screen. Let's get started. Now आपको दिख रहा होगा कि there is a part of a sentence which has been underlined. You have to tell me which is the right replacement of the underlined part. Which is the right replacement of the underlined part? Come on, everyone, try this out. Hi, Aditi. Arey Shubham, there are a lot of issues right now. My back's completely gone. So because of that, I cannot, sit and take a lot of sessions. So that's why I'm in this position. Okay, so Pallavi, this is grammar-based question. ये जो अभी आपके screen पे आएंगे, वो सब grammar-based questions है. Hi, Labani. Hello, Gaurav. Welcome to the session. Come on, everyone. First question on your screens. Where are the others today? The Abhisheks, the Vishals, Shalu, सब कहाँ है आज? Rohit, Rohan. Come on, guys. करेक्ट. ओके गाइस, वील स्टार्ट द पोल. ठीक है, आज सारे क्वेश्चंस पोल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो शुरू करें पोल. Come on, let's start the poll. Come on, good guys. Come on, everyone. Get this right. Chalo. Okay, 61%. But why not everyone, guys? बाकियों को क्या हुआ आज? The CBSE 10th results were announced today at 12 p.m. Okay, now ये देखो. Results were declared today at 12 p.m. Results must come out today at 12 p.m. Results was made public. Now guys, definitely your answer option cannot be was made ना. Results तो plural है. हाँ या ना? हाँ पल्लवी, सिंपल ग्रामर रूल्स, जो भी हमने ग्रामर में रीजी में किया है उतना है. हाय मयंक, हेलो आनंद. So guys, you will not say results was made public. What will you say? Results were made public. है ना? तो C तो definitely हमारा आंसर ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता. Now results must come out today. Will you say results must come out today? See, all the candidates can check their scores on the official website. Nearly 20 lakh students for the CBSE has also released. Now, when you say also released, that means the results are already out. इसका मतलब results are already out ना. महाराष्ट्र CET का मीट, but it's the same across SNAP, NMAT, सबका same है. So guys, results तो out हो चुके हैं, तो you cannot say must come out. Okay. So what will you say? The results were declared today at 12 p.m. So that's why the answer option will be only A. Is there anything wrong with A? No. Your results were announced, your results were declared. There's nothing wrong with A. So that's why the answer option will be only A. Clear guys? हाँ, yes मीत, जितने भी आपके ओमेट्स होते हैं, क्योंकि ग्रामर वोकैबुलरी पे ज्यादा फोकस होता है, दे विल बी इजी. इट्स जस्ट द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ टाइम. जैसे गाइस, इफ यू टेक स्नैप एग्जामिनेशन एज वेल, आपको VARC सेक्शन के लिए मैक्सिमम, आई एम सेइंग मैक्सिमम, आइडियली यू शुड टेक अराउंड 12 मिनट्स, मैक्सिमम यू गेट 15 मिनट्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बैलेंस योर टाइम अकॉर्डिंगली. Okay, 12 to 15 minutes में आपको VARC के questions attempt करने पड़ते हैं. So the concepts will be like all what we have discussed. It's just the time. Question STEM Abhik, which is the right replacement of the underlying part? ये देखो, ये रहा question STEM. चलो, same type का question है, try out कर, you know, different, थोड़ा सा अलग है, try out करो. Pattern similar है. Come on. No, Anand, still recovering. But I didn't want to stay away, you know, from your preparation for too long. So, you know, काफी gap आ जाता. So that's why I'm back. But you can see that I'm standing and teaching. Chalo guys, next question on your screens. Hi Arjun, hello Rohan. Come on guys. अंडरलाइन पार्ट का राइट रिप्लेसमेंट क्या होगा? अरे नाइस अर्जुन. हाँ, ये थोड़ा सा जो मॉक का लिंक होता है वो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है. अरे हाय रोहन, हैप्पी टू रीड hear from you too, Anand. Hi Suraj. Let me know once you're done. We shall poll. Good, Govind. Shall we poll? Yes, come on. All about time management, guys. Good Pallavi, excellent work Sunny, very good Devanshi, Bhavna, Shubham, बहुत अच्छे guys, very good. But why don't I see? I just see 22% accuracy. 24 हो गया. आकृति nil. Okay, चलो देखते हैं. How many times a day do we turn on a faucet? Do it now. First very slowly and you will see glassy orderly flow. If there is no wind or other disturbance, nothing will change. This is called laminar flow. A photo taken now will be identical to the one taken half an hour later. Okay. Now, ये बोल रहा है the photo that you take now will be the same as the one you will take half an hour later. So identical की जगह यहाँ पे same दे दिया है. A photo taken now की जगह that you will take now हो गया है. Okay. Now, I'll explain. It does not matter how many photos one takes. They will be similar. But guys, इसमें time का कोई reference नहीं है ना. How many photos one take? That could be all the photos taken at this second. Like in 1 second, you can take 10 photos. Don't you feel this distorts the meaning? You have to have it as close as possible to the underlying statement. Underlying statement बोल रहा है present में लो या future में लो. Okay, in the span of half an hour, every photo will be identical. No, guys, don't you think that this option is too literal? It's not just, in the span of half an hour, I can't say every photo will be identical. I just have to say, if you take it now and if you take it like half an hour later, the photo will be similar. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So every यहाँ पे गलत है, यहाँ पे time का कोई reference नहीं है, इसीलिए the answer option will be only A. The meaning should not change. The idea should not be distorted. Fair enough. Next one. Same cheese है, guys. Come on, try this out. Come on, everyone. आइडिया पे फोकस करो. सेंटेंस उसका रिप्लेसमेंट लेंदी हो सकता है, वर्बोस हो सकता है. इट शुड जस्ट बी द सेम मीनिंग एंड ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट. Okay, guys, just give me leisurely, आराम से, in a very relaxed manner. Just give me 30 seconds, guys. I will just have a sip of water. Okay, 30 seconds, 1 minute. Okay, come on, guys. Let's start the poll. चलो, poll शुरू करते हैं. Come on. Come on, guys. 50%. Good. It doesn't cost a lot to take part, and you can run at any time that suits you. Running is inexpensive and you can do it leisurely. Guys, leisurely matlab in a relaxed manner. It does not mean that you can do it whenever you want. That would be you can do it as per your convenience. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जो word leisurely है वो incorrect है. Okay, it is because it is free of cost and you can do it whenever you want. Because, okay, guys, no, I think it should be only B, na? No, don't you think it should be only B? ये बोल रहा है doesn't cost a lot, but ये बोल रहा है it is free of cost. How can we say it is free of cost? नहीं, पर free of cost कैसे बोल सकते हो आप? It doesn't cost a lot. See, I know running and jogging is free of cost, but in the question it says doesn't cost a lot, but we cannot infer. But then even C goes out. It does not involve money. ठीक है. Okay, let's consider B and C, guys. Free of cost does not involve money. No time constraint. You can do it whenever you want. हाँ, आंसर C है. Correct. We are looking at the author's view यहाँ पे. Fair enough. Okay, good, guys. Come on, let's go to the next question. Chalo, next one. Hi Shreyasi, welcome to the session. Come on, next one, guys. Same pattern. चलो. Guys, by the way, how is your preparation going? ये 4 दिन आपने क्या किया? Sessions attend किए, मतलब क्या prepare किया, mock किया? Were you preparing? So sweet, Samrat. I missed all of you too. Good meet. PJ, odd one out, para summary, para completion. Good. What about the others? गाइस 3 महीने बचे हैं. ओके शुभम, आपके लिए कोई बात नहीं, आपके लिए 1 साल है. Pons in DILR, good Karan. Guys, 3 months. Excellent work, Sunny. Yes, Pallavi, I missed you guys a lot too. Hopefully I don't have to take such breaks. Good Amresh, very good. Good Neil. मॉक जरूरी है गाइस, अब सबको मॉक शुरू कर देना चाहिए. स्प्यू एमिट मतलब इन अ वे उसको वॉमिट करना, प्यूक आउट करना. रिलीज. गोविंद आप सब्सक्राइब हो, आप अनअकैडमी मॉक्स भी ट्राई कर सकते हो, वैरायटी के लिए आप दूसरे भी दे सकते हो. अनअकैडमी मॉक्स डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू गिव देम. उसके साथ साथ जो आपके एजुकेटर्स भी आपके लिए मॉक्स बना रहे वो भी दो. बट गाइस it's always good to have a good question mix as well. Good, very good Gaurav. Okay, that's good सम्राट. फिर if you know, but don't completely थोड़ा कैट मत छोड़ना क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र सीटी थोड़ा सा बहुत अनप्रिडिक्टेबल हो रहा है. थोड़ा कैट का भी थोड़ा फोकस रखना because it's come so close now, सम्राट. नहीं मोनिका. Okay, let's start the poll guys, come on. Good, Priya, Monica, Amresh. Many things that are useful to people cause pollution. Cars spew pollutants from their exhaust pipes. Burning coal to create electricity pollutes the air. All the vehicles, guys, all vehicles incorrect है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ cars दिया है. Cars that we drive have pollutants in them. यहाँ पे they don't have pollutants in them. They release pollutants. The fuel used in cars is very harmful. यहाँ पे fuel का mention भी नहीं है. So guys, बाकी सब additional information है ना. नहीं हरप्रीत, ये आपको ओमेट्स में आएंगे. Hi Tushar. So guys, answer option will clearly be none of the above. Yes or no? Did all of you understand this? Clear? B says they have pollutants in them. कार के अंदर pollutant नहीं है. कार जब चलती है जो you know pollutant release करता है. But कार के अंदर pollutant नहीं है. Cars that we drive have pollutants in them. That is incorrect. They have you in them. They have parts in them, but they do not have pollutants in them. Got it? Okay. Good. Come on, next one. Next one, guys. Come on. Okay, Mehak is ready for the poll. What about the others? Poll. The time is now to create a generation of citizens, workers, students, and leaders ready for climate change. It is high time that we make a generation of people read about climate change. Okay, this read about is incorrect. Without any delay, we should create a generation of people ready for climate change. It is not urgent. This is contradicting the passage. Okay, so answer option will be only B. Did all of you understand this? Clear guys? Simple questions. These are all a test of your speed. That's all. चलो अब guys ये para jumble question है, ये बहुत ही unique है. इस पे जो है 4 or 5 questions framed है same PJ पे. For example, the position of how many sentences change after rearrangement. Okay. फिर उसके बाद which of the following should be the third statement, which of the following should be the second statement, etc. There is a blank in the same PJ. Which of these will fill in that blank? अगर ये सेंटेंस है तो ये सेंटेंस कहाँ आना चाहिए अरेंजमेंट के. ओके, सो गाइस पहले तो डोंट थिंक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चन स्टेम्स. व्हाट यू डू इज फर्स्ट यू फ्रेम द ऑर्डर. ठीक है, वो हम लोग सीख चुके हैं. फर्स्ट और लास्ट स्टेटमेंट फिक्स्ड है. आप पहले मेरे को ऑर्डर बताओ, फिर देखेंगे बाकी क्वेश्चन स्टेम्स को कैसे आंसर करना है. But it's very important to frame the complete order. A and E are fixed. Introduction, conclusion fixed है. बीच के sentences को arrange करो. Come on. See guys, देखो opener देखो. This paper, you know, these are all unconventional openers, guys. This paper मतलब जो paper में लिख रहा हूँ. So it's not, the noun for it is not there. So it can start with the pronoun this paper. हाँ यस यस शुभम, ऑप्शंस होता है, मैं आपको ऑप्शंस दूंगी, डोंट वरी. पहले के ऑप्शन है 1 2 3 4 5. वो स्पेस नहीं था इसलिए मैंने डाला नहीं. हाय अक्षय. ओके, अर्जुन का ऑर्डर आया है. व्हाट अबाउट द अदर्स? अर्जुन एक बार रीचेक करो. नहीं नहीं, चेक. श्रुति, मोनिका, चेक. नहीं अर्जुन. नो गाइस लिसन. नहीं. Okay, I'll wait. नहीं. Okay, मेरे को अभी तक एक आंसर सही दिखा है. I will not say who. Okay, guys, the answer is A और E तो फिक्स है. DCB. Okay, let's check this out. This paper, beginning with an overview of urbanization, uses the case of Nairobi, Kenya, to discuss current traffic pollution challenges and how they may be addressed. In addition, the paper highlights the need for further research into the lived experience of negotiating daily life. It suggests, now guys, ये देखो, don't you feel C और B का connection है? It suggests, in addition, it also highlights. हाँ है ना? ये जो है एक suggestion है या एक solution है या ये further course of action है. ये भी जो है ये एक solution है, ये एक suggestion है, ये further course of action है. So it should be CB. Yes, Shruti, very good. CB. Now it says overview of, ये भी बोल रहा है it goes on to look. तो A and D talk about what it focuses on. C and B talk about based on what it focuses on, what does it highlight or suggest. Did all of you understand this point? Clear, guys? Make sense? Did all of you understand this point? नहीं, D, B, C नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि the paper highlights the need for. ये भी बोल रहे हैं क्या चीज का नीड है, तो ये in addition जो है, 1 minute, why is it the slide not erasing? हाँ, ये जो in addition है वो ये suggest करता है, इसके अलावा ये भी suggest या highlight करता है, तो C और B का connection होना चाहिए. ओके और फिर A and D talk about what it looks at और what it focuses on. तो ये beginning है, फिर ये बाद में है. Okay, so A, B, C, B, E. So how many sentences change their position after rearrangement? Okay, कितने position change करते हैं guys? Can I say D and B change their position? दो sentences shift हो रहे, A is still first, E is still last, C is still the third one. There are only two statements which change their position. Which are the two statements? नहीं, Pallavi, C. A first position पे ही है, C third position पे ही है, E fifth position पे ही है. तो दो स्टेटमेंट्स चेंज करते हैं. बी जो है सेकंड से फोर्थ पोजीशन में शिफ्ट हो जाता है, डी फोर्थ से सेकंड पोजीशन में शिफ्ट हो जाता है. सो आंसर ऑप्शन विल बी 2. क्लियर? कहां से 3 मीट? विच 3 स्टेटमेंट्स? कौन सा स्टेटमेंट चेंज किया? पोजीशन. पोजीशन मींस हाँ, डीसीबी इज आवर ऑर्डर ना, पर सी तो अभी भी थर्ड पोजीशन में ही है. सी अभी भी थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इन द पैरा है, इसमें भी सी इज थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इन द पैरा. Yes or no? In the original unjumble maybe. Got it? So C does not change the position. It was the third statement. It still is the third statement. Okay. Which of the following will be the third sentence? Answer is what, guys? Which is the third sentence after a rearrangement? Okay. So Arjun, ये देखो A और D का फर्क देखो. See, the paper beginning with an overview of urbanization uses a case of Nairobi, Kenya to discuss current traffic pollution challenges. It goes on to look at the specific case of Nairobi as it searches for solutions to the negative impact. It goes on to look at the specific case of Nairobi. Goes on matlab pehle bhi it was looking at that and it still continues to look at that and it searches for solutions. Which are the two solutions? C and B. Did you understand the point? It started with urbanization, went to the case of Nairobi, continues to look at the case of Nairobi, come up with solutions. दो क्वेश्चन नहीं मीन कुछ 4-5 क्वेश्चंस है इसमें. ओके राइट. अब सेंटेंस ई में ब्लैंक है. Which word can fill in the blank? सेम पीजे जो अभी हमने किया. सेंटेंस ई का ब्लैंक कौन सा स्टेटमेंट फिल अप करता है? Lessons. Focus on the word lesson. शुभम फोकस पोल करते चलो. See guys, या तो lesson के साथ आप taught लिख सकते हो या learned लिख सकते हो. Okay, other options, well, you can't say the lessons collected, the lessons gathered. No, either you say the lessons learned or you say the lessons taught. Correct. Now the lessons taught are generalized. Who taught? एक केस स्टडी किया आपने, एक स्टडी किया है, उस पे एक पेपर बनाया है. What have you learned from it ना? It will be the lessons learned ना. You've done a research, you've done an investigation, you've written a paper on it, you've taken a case study. From a case study, what do? You take insights, you learn insights. करेक्ट, इंफॉर्मेशन होता तो आप कलेक्टेड बोल सकते थे, गैदर्ड बोल सकते थे. ओके, डिड यू इनपुट्स कलेक्टेड. ओके, सो गाइस आंसर ऑप्शन विल बी लर्न्ड. ओके, यस पल्लवी, इस क्वेश्चन के बाद फिर इसके बाद ये सीरीज खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन करो गाइस, कम ऑन, देन लीड अ बोट, कम ऑन. सो सनी, आपको टोटली जो है वो डिपेंड करता है आप कौन से एग्जाम की बात कर रहे हो. आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट महाराष्ट्र सीट? एक बार क्वेश्चन स्टेम पढ़ो शुभा. तो सी टोटली VRC में you get 50 questions. You have your complete 150 minutes. You decide आपको कैसे करना है. पूरा 150 मिनट्स है आपके पास, उसमें टोटली 200 क्वेश्चंस है जिसमें 50 वर्बल में है. सो आप जैसे मैनेज करते हो. So ideally, if I would say 150 minutes में 200 questions and you verbal should take you approximately let's say एक 45 minutes, 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. So you barely get a minute per question. इसमें क्या करना है? अरे see, the sentence congestion and traffic related pollution are typically the largest contributors to air pollution in cities. Rapid urbanization in developing countries has caused large scale proliferation or spread in motor vehicle use. Okay, fine. ये sentence, ठीक है, हमारा जो order है अभी तक का वो क्या है? A, D, C, B, E, correct? Now, if this were the sixth sentence, ये किसके पहले आना चाहिए? ये कहाँ आना चाहिए? Should it come before A? Should it come before D? Precede मतलब before. Where should it come before Mehak? It's this statement will come before. तो आप बस इतना ध्यान रख लो, ये sixth statement है, इसको आप कहाँ लगाओगे? फिर आप आंसर कर लेना. Amresh, guys, this is a very basic concept that we have discussed. This is a very basic concept. Come on. Like PJ, correct Pallavi. This is the sixth statement. Where would it come in the order? No nils. It can't come at the end because it has to precede. Let's poll, guys. 4 ऑप्शन का पोल आएगा, A, B, C, D. Okay, I'll wait. Good, Anand. Excellent, Monica. Simple logic. Na Shubham, check. No Harpreet. No Arjun. Guys, why is everybody going with that option? आनंद, सीईटी का लेवल इतना भी इजी नहीं है, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मीडियम ही रहता है. स्पीड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, कट ऑफ बहुत हाई रहते हैं, कंपटीशन बहुत क्लोज है. हाँ, then Anand, you focus on grammar and vocabulary. You should be able to sail through all the omits. Okay, chalo guys, poll. Guys, when we select in para jumble, when we select an opener, don't we select the broadest statement first? Don't we put the broadest statement first? This is talking only about Nairobi. This is talking about cities. This talks about, ये पूरा प्रॉब्लम बताता है कि पेपर लिखने की जगह, पेपर लिखने का मकसद क्या हुआ. But Meet, you can talk about a problem and then you can say, okay, this paper has been written to address that problem. So what, Harpreet? This paper refers to the paper that you're reading. Okay, so for example, Harpreet, I start off a session. ठीक है, ये मेरा session है. I start off with it. I say, okay, hello everyone. Cat is right around the corner. It is very important for all the students to focus on VRC section. This class, we are going to discuss RC. Can't I do that? I can do that. Hi, Anna. I can do that, na? So the author starts with a general problem, and he, and then he says, okay, so this paper is going to do this related to that problem. So this paper does not refer to any specific paper. Okay, why not C? क्योंकि C में तो बहुत problem है पल्लवी. It suggests this. It, what is that it refer to here? It goes on to look. This it and it are all paper. So you cannot separate A, B, C, D, na? You cannot. No, Samrat. Like I've planned around 20-25 questions. तो it goes on. अगर इसके बाद आप it लगाओगे तो यहाँ पे क्या it है? Did you understand my point? Grammatically, that is incorrect. Got it? This paper does not have to refer to any paper mentioned here. This paper is understood that the paper what you're reading. Again, the same problem, Akriti. B says it suggests. अच्छा, C के बाद क्यों नहीं? हाँ, क्योंकि B says in addition the paper. In addition to what? This does not talk about the paper. See guys, A, D, C, B are all talking about the paper. You cannot separate them. है ना? No, not necessarily, Pallavi. You can start with a general sentence कि ये problems है, ये urbanization का problem है, ये pollution का problem है, cities are facing this problem. So this paper is going to address that issue, taking Nairobi as an example. So ये cities general है, ये paper takes Nairobi as a specific example. Did you understand my point? Clear? Oh, Shubham, all the best. Do really well. Guys, wish Shubham all the best. His SSC का examination है कल. हाँ, A के बाद लगाना है आपको. अगर हम A के बाद लगाएंगे तो D में it goes on है ना? तो अगर ये statement यहाँ आ जाएगा तो फिर D it goes on कहाँ से आएगा? Got it, Pallavi? It refers to the paper. So paper के बाद ही आप it लगा सकते हो. Okay, got it, guys? Clear? Exactly. नहीं, तुरंत A के पहले. तुरंत यहाँ पे मतलब before A. तुरंत. Immediately before A. It has to immediately precede. Okay. Right. Next one. Come on, guys. Choose the part that is grammatically incorrect. Come on, everyone. Okay, just try this out, guys. Give me 30 seconds. 1 minute. हाँ, done, Pallavi. They will. अच्छा, वो error है फिर mate. Okay, shall we poll? इसको एक काम करते हैं, only A कर देते हैं. Okay, come on. The quality, reputation, and characteristics of Darjeeling tea are essentially attributable to its geographical origin. ठीक है? As a result of a favorable geo-agroclimatic situation, specific soil characteristics, plantation conditions, so on and so forth, it possesses a specific flavor and a very high quality, distinguishing it from tea grown elsewhere of the world. Can I say off is incorrect? It should be in the world. Hi, Anna. Arey, Dan, Pallavi. Guys, it should be in the world, na? So C is, the answer is only C. Rest में बाकी में कोई fault नहीं है. Possesses कैसे? Where is ये ना? Possesses ही होगा. It singular है. Plural होता तो they possess. सिंगुलर है तो possesses. Okay. So look at this. Quality, reputation, characteristics of Darjeeling tea are essentially attributable to its geographical origin. As a result is not A ka as a result. As a result of this, ye. So see, LK, as a result of ye sab, it possesses a specific flavor. Did you understand this? B is not the result of A. B khud mein there are two portions where is as a result of this you have this. Got it? Clear? A favorable में. Where is a favorable? कहाँ है a favorable? अच्छा, as a result of अच्छा ये a favorable. Okay. As a result of a favorable, हाँ. Because a what? A situation, guys. What is the rule here? Article, adjective, noun. A beautiful girl. As a result of a adjective, favorable, geo, agro, climatic, noun is situation. So it has to be article, adjective, noun. Got it? आगे characteristics, conditions, plural है, correct. तो ये देखो, as a result of a favorable geo, agro, climatic situation, specific soil characteristics, plantation conditions. तो the author is not, ये देखो, जहां पे अ आया है, ऑथर ने अ रिपीट किया है. अब हमारे पास प्लूरल आर्टिकल तो है नहीं, तो ऑथर प्लूरल आर्टिकल तो लगाएगा नहीं ना. गॉट इट? जहां पे अ आना चाहिए वहां पे आया है. गॉट इट? यहाँ पे क्योंकि प्लूरल है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, कंडीशंस, प्रैक्टिसेस, सो द ऑथर इज नॉट पुट एनी आर्टिकल देयर. जो सिंगुलर थे उसमें आर्टिकल लग गया. गॉट इट? ओके. हाँ मोनिका, आर के जगह इज. R, because you mentioned three things. So it has to be R. Plus characteristics is plural. Okay, so it has to be R. Correct? Did all of you understand this? Okay. No, but what is attributable to geographical origin? T is not attributable to geographical origin. The quality, reputation and characteristics are attributable to the geographical location. So subject जो है वो हमारा ये है, quality, reputation and characteristics. Okay, good. Next one. Come on, guys. Same cheese here. This part is the direction. No, Nil. The next plus class is on Wednesday. Or 12 noon. All A, B and C. Okay, let's poll, guys, then we'll discuss. People with a college education are more likely to get involved in their community. It is also true that a degree informs on more than just one's major. Don't you feel that this is incorrect, guys? हाँ है ना, बी तो डेफिनेटली इनकरेक्ट है ना. Higher education explores complex issue, health, environment, business, politics. पर issue, what should it be? Issues. So B and C incorrect है. A में क्या गलती है? People with a college education are more likely to get involved in their community. Nothing wrong. कुछ गलत लगा guys A में? Okay. Come on, next one. हाँ, yes. प्लस में, अरे शुभम you're taking plus subscription. अभी तो आपको 3 months फ्री भी मिलेगा. No, I'm not on mute. I'm on mute, guys. No. Shubham, not on mute. अच्छा, so Shubham, you're joining plus क्या? हाँ, we'll deal with them Vaibhav. So you just have to focus on जैसे however का function क्या है, but का function क्या है, yet का function क्या है उनमें. Ah, that's great, Shubham. Yes, that's so nice. Thank you. You will get 3 months free, Shubham. That's really great. अगर आप कौन से कितने महीने का प्लान कर रहे हो? Because 12 months और 24 months में आपको 3 months free मिलेगा. That's also great. रुको. Okay, guys, let's poll for this last question आज के लिए. चलो. All the best, Shubham, for your exam. 0%. Guys, what happened? Business management is that branch of education which provides what happened, guys? 0%. No one. Only Shreyashi. देखते हैं. Let's see आकृति. Business management is that branch of education which provides knowledge and training pertaining to na. Won't pertaining take the preposition to? क्या? Pertaining takes the preposition to. No, Arjun, honestly, pertaining takes the preposition to. In this field of education, one learns about the establishment of a company or what? A company or an organization. and various functional levels such as production, financial, administrative, human resources, sales, marketing, and others. So if you want, you can put a comma here. That will make sense. Career scope after completing a business management degree course is huge, with a variety of managerial jobs on offer at junior as well as senior level. Jobs on offer, correct. It's on offer, correct. That's right, Samrat. You can just separate them with a comma, however. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? अच्छा, एक मिनट LK, I'll take up your doubt. अरे शुभम, आपने अभी अभी सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया? मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन आया, किसी ने तो लिया, आपने लिया अभी अभी? नहीं, अच्छा फिर किसी और ने लिया. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'll take up LK's doubt. Okay, तब तक I want everyone to guys, कल भी same timing रहेगा, 5 PM YouTube, 8 PM special class. Yeah, sales and marketing will be one function. Yes Pallavi, so answer keys attached है, आप download कर लेना PDF and try जरूर करना. Okay, and if you have doubts, upload it and we will discuss it. No Vishal, these are omits, these are all like जैसे महाराष्ट्र CT में. कल से start है 5 and 8. Okay, so guys, do take the subscription. jaldi se enroll karo. These are the upcoming batches. Combat 2. Apply the code RITU MBA. So Devanshi, I've put up 19 questions, but totally is mock में 50 questions से. You can give the mock also. It's there on the portal. Done Pallavi. Yes, Akriti. Thank you. Hi, Are Samrat. Thanks. So guys, don't forget to take the Iconic subscription as well. Iconic में you're mentored by top B school graduates. They help you discuss concepts, strategies, study plans, सब कुछ. So guys, do take the subscription. Plus पे offer भी है guys. If you want campus placements के लिए training, जो mock interview और group discussion होता है, उसके लिए भी आपको training मिल रही है. I'll post it, Samiksha, on the site tomorrow. I mean, on our group, unacademy_Ritu Dudoria. Okay. Nice, Shubham. Thank you for reminding. Done, Samrat. Okay, take care. Don't forget to apply the. Don't forget to join the hashtag, guys. और जो भी subscription ले रहा है, use the code RITU MBA. Okay, guys. No other codes. Everyone is going to use the code RITU MBA. Done. Take care, guys. Okay, LK, I will take up your doubt. रुको आप. Okay. What is the placement of A and B when we say A is followed by B? तब A पहले है और फिर B बाद में है. Okay, this is A is followed by B. Okay, then next one, A follows B. इसका मतलब B पहले आएगा and A will follow B. Okay, first I'll draw all क्योंकि आपका message थोड़ा बड़ा है, then I'll explain if you have doubts. A is preceded by B. मतलब A is preceded by B. तो B पहले आएगा. A is preceded by B. Okay, A precedes B. मतलब A B से पहले आएगा. Got it, LK? Did you understand this? ये आपको LR में help करेगा. Okay, so followed by मतलब comes later. Follows मतलब A follows. Okay, ये चार आप screenshot ले लो. Okay, done, guys. So I will see you all tomorrow. अरे yes, Pallavi, I wish I VRC manage. कोई और सेंटेंस नहीं, इतने ही है. Followed by, follows, preceded by, precedes. ये चार ही है. Okay. Done, guys. Take care, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye, everyone. I will see you all tomorrow, 5 p.m. Take care, guys. Bye bye.